Welcome to today's English listening practice. Our story is called The Song of Friendship That Never Ends. Friendship is one of life's greatest gifts. It begins with small moments, grows through laughter, and continues across time and distance. In this lesson, you will listen to an inspiring story that shows how true friendship creates a melody that never fades. This video is designed for English beginners, so you can enjoy the story while improving your listening skills. Relax, listen carefully, and let the song of friendship fill your heart with hope and happiness. Friendship is like a song. It begins with small notes, grows into a joyful chorus, and continues forever in our hearts. Unlike ordinary songs, the song of true friendship never ends. It plays through laughter, shared memories, challenges, and even across time and distance. In this video, you will listen to an inspirational story about friendship that reminds us of the beauty of trust, kindness, and togetherness. This is not only a heartwarming lesson about the true meaning of friendship, but also a chance to practice English listening for beginners. The Song of Friendship That Never Ends. Friendship is like a melody, soft, strong, and timeless. When we think about music, we realize that every song has a beginning, a rhythm, and an end. But true friendship is different. It creates a song that never fades, a song that echoes through our hearts, even when time passes, even when distance grows, and even when life takes us in different directions. Today, let us take a journey together into the meaning of friendship, the song of friendship that never ends. The first notes of friendship. Every song begins with its first notes. Friendship often begins in the simplest ways. It might start with a smile exchanged in a classroom, a kind gesture offered at work, or a helping hand extended during a difficult time. These first moments are like the opening notes of a melody, gentle and small, but powerful enough to begin something beautiful. Think about your own life. Who was the first person you called a friend? Maybe it was someone you sat next to in school. Maybe it was your neighbor who played games with you when you were little. Or maybe it was someone you met much later in life, when you least expected it. The truth is, friendships do not follow a schedule. They appear when hearts connect, when souls recognize one another, and when kindness creates harmony. In that first moment, a song begins. It might be quiet, it might be shy, but it starts to grow. The chorus of shared moments. No song is complete without its chorus, the part that repeats, the part everyone remembers. In friendship, the chorus is made of shared moments. Laughter that fills the air, conversations that go on for hours, and adventures that become unforgettable stories. Think of those days when you laughed so hard with your friends that your stomach hurt. Think of the times you stayed up late just talking, not even realizing how quickly time was passing. Think of the moments when you and your friend shared secrets, dreams, or even silly jokes that no one else would ever understand. These moments form the chorus of friendship. They are the words and melodies that we carry with us forever. Even years later, when life changes, we can still hum the chorus of those memories. They remind us that friendship is not about how much time we spend together, but about the depth of the connection we share. The bridge of challenges. Every song has a bridge. The bridge changes the rhythm. It adds tension, emotion, and sometimes even struggle before the song returns to its chorus. In friendship, the bridge is the challenges we face. No friendship is perfect. Misunderstandings happen. Distance separates us. Life responsibilities pull us in different directions. Sometimes we might even argue or feel hurt. But this is where the song of friendship proves its strength. True friends do not give up on each other. They listen, they forgive, and they grow. They learn that being friends is not just about laughing together in good times, but also about standing together in difficult times. Think of the times a friend stood by you when life felt heavy. Maybe they encouraged you when you doubted yourself. Maybe they offered their shoulder when you needed to cry. Or maybe they simply stayed by your side in silence, reminding you that you were not alone. That is the bridge of friendship. It may be difficult, but it strengthens the song, making the chorus even more meaningful when it returns. The endless refrain. Unlike ordinary songs, the song of true friendship does not end. Even when friends live in different cities or countries, even when months or years pass without meeting, the melody of friendship continues. Have you ever met an old friend after a long time apart and felt as if nothing had changed? The laughter comes back, the memories flow, and the connection feels just as strong as before. That is the power of the song of friendship. It does not fade with time. It waits patiently in our hearts, ready to play again whenever we need it. This is why we say the song of friendship never ends. It becomes part of who we are. It teaches us about loyalty, trust, and love. It shows us that life is not meant to be lived alone, but in harmony with others. Friendship across time and distance. In today's world, friends can be close or far. Some live in the same neighborhood, while others live across oceans. Technology makes it easier to connect, but what truly matters is the spirit of the friendship. A simple message, a quick phone call, or even a smile shared through a video chat can remind us that friendship is alive. Distance cannot silence the song. True friendship sings across borders, across languages, across cultures. In fact, some of the strongest friendships are those that survive distance and time. They prove that the bond is not about constant presence, but about mutual understanding and love that never weakens. The healing power of friendship. Music has the power to heal, and so does friendship. When life feels heavy, friendship brings light. When sadness fills our hearts, friendship offers comfort. When we doubt ourselves, friendship gives us strength. A true friend is like a song that plays when we need it most, lifting our spirits, reminding us of hope, and helping us see the beauty of life again. Think about the times when your friends made you feel better with just a few words. I'm here for you. Or maybe they didn't say anything at all, but their presence gave you peace. Those are the healing notes of friendship's song. Friendship as a gift to the world. The song of friendship does not only stay between two people. It spreads outward, touching families, communities, and even nations. When friends show kindness to each other, they inspire others to do the same. Imagine a world where everyone lived with the spirit of friendship, helping, supporting, and understanding one another. Conflicts would lessen, trust would grow, and harmony would spread. This is why the song of friendship is not just personal. It is universal. It is a gift we give not only to each other, but to the world. The legacy of friendship. Every person we meet leaves a mark on our lives, but friends leave melodies that never fade. Even when a friend is no longer physically present, whether because of distance, changes in life, or even passing away, the song they shared with us continues. We carry their laughter in our memories. We carry their lessons in our hearts. And when we share those stories with others, the song lives on, inspiring new friendships and spreading love through generations. In this way, friendship becomes a legacy, a song passed from one heart to another, forever continuing. Conclusion: singing the song together. The song of friendship that never ends is not just a story. It is a reality we can live every day. We live it when we appreciate the friends we have. We live it when we forgive mistakes and choose to continue the melody together. We live it when we support each other through challenges and celebrate each other's joys. So today, let us pause and think. Who are the friends that make your life brighter? Who are the ones who have written a melody into your heart? And how can you sing that song back to them through kindness, gratitude, and love? Remember, every friendship is a song, and every true friend is a note that makes the music complete. And though songs in this world may fade, the song of true friendship never ends. It is eternal, it is timeless, and it is ours to sing again and again. Thank you so much for joining us for today's story, The Song of Friendship That Never Ends. I truly appreciate your time and attention. Friendship is a gift we should all treasure, and I hope this story reminded you of the special people in your life. If you enjoyed listening, please remember to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more English listening practice for beginners. Your support means so much, and together, we can keep learning, improving, and spreading the message of love and friendship everywhere.